In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can make a vector layer mask. Currently have an image on a single layer, as you see here, in an existing file that I just opened. And I'm going to go down to one of my vector drawing tools, which are grouped down here. And let's see, I'll just choose the ellipse tool here. This would work equally well with the pen tool, of course, or any of your vector drawing tools. And I'm just going to make an oval here that sort of goes to the front. Actually, you know what? Let me just undo that for a second and point something out. Once you've actually selected your vector tool, make sure that it is set on path. I forgot to mention that. Okay, set it on path when you have your vector tool selected. And again, I will go and make a shape out of that, like that. So that's kind of step one. Now typically, to make a layer mask, you would have clicked here when you had a selection made. But if I click there, I'll show you here, it actually didn't make it. So let me undo that. And the trick is to click it on the PC with the control key down, on the Mac with the command key down. There we go. And there you can see it in action. And again, it can be edited, of course, at any point. And you see it again, just like you would see a raster layer mask. This is a vector layer mask. And again, I can click on the image here to focus on that if I want. But let me hit my return key to accept that. There we go. And if I wanted to do some graphic manipulation, of course, you just highlight the normal layer. If I want to affect the layer mask, I go in here, and again, I can make changes. I can move it around as well. If I go use one of my selection tools, I'll use my path selection tool here. And there we go. That's how you can create a vector layer mask.